Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss and learn most important chemical reactions in the hydrocarbons, that is the halogenation of alkane. So the halogenation of alkane is the substitution reaction. In the substitution reaction, an atom or a functional group are replaced by a different functional group. For example, we have an alkane, that is CH4 methane, and we react it with sufficient amount of chlorine in the presence of ultraviolet radiation or UV light. In the excess of chlorine, this reaction does not stop, and it consists a series of reactions, and each step one hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine atom. So in each step one hydrogen atom is replaced by one chlorine atom. So the product are alkyl halide and hydrogen halide, that is alkyl halide, that is methyl chloride, and hydrogen halide, that is HCl molecule are formed. And this is a series of reactions. Each step one hydrogen atom is replaced by one chlorine atom. In each steps valuable products are formed. Here in the first step methyl chloride, that is chloromethane, is formed, that is methyl chloride. In the second steps methyl chloride react with chlorine molecule and they form, that is UV light in each steps. And here another hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine atom CH2Cl2 plus HCl. This is the methylene chloride, that is dichloromethane. In the next step, in the excess of chlorine, methylene chloride react with chlorine molecules. They form trichloromethane and HCl, that is the trichloromethane or chloroform. This is also a valuable product. This is the formula of trichloromethane and its common name is chloroform. And in the last step trichloromethane, that is CHCl3, trichloromethane react with chlorine and they form tetrachloromethane CCl4, or its structure is CCl4, tetrachloromethane along with hydrochloric acid, and this is the tetrachloromethane and its name is carbon tetrachloride. For the alkane in the, and this is most important chemical reaction. Thanks for watching.